How to import a project folder in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you open your CapCut, now minimize your CapCut. So find the folder. Now here is a folder that someone shared with me. It's a project folder. So now copy the folder. Right click and copy. After you copy the folder, go and open your disk PC. So go to your C drive. After you open your C drive, tap on this three dot and go to this options and go to this view and make sure to turn on this where it says show hidden files and folder. So make sure to turn on this option and tap on OK button. After that, open the user, then go to this app data, go to local, scroll to down, go to CapCut. So go to user data again and then open project folder. Go ahead and find the project. Here is it. So go to this where it says com.editor.draft. So now paste in the folder that you copy inside this project site. I'll right click and tap on this paste button. After you finish pasting your folder, so now here is the folder teamwork. So now all you have to do now, close this option and go back to your CapCut. After you open your CapCut, now close the CapCut. Now open the CapCut again. So after you open the CapCut again, so here you'll be able to see the folder that you added inside the CapCut project folder. Here is the folder. Insert teamwork. Here is the folder. Just open the project. So here now you imported a folder inside a CapCut. Now it will allow you to see the project. So as you can see now here is the entire project that I just imported from someone that shared with me. That's it guys on how to import project folder in CapCut. Make sure to like and subscribe.